this has 3 wires on the inside. It breaks those wires down, then you get shorts and disconnects. So when we start, you can start right here if you like. You can do it like this, like that. Or I'm just taking on and giving you a little slide right here. You're taking do it like this. And you can even have a rag in this hand, and you can be cleaning it while you're rolling it up. Look, see what's going on. Watch the end down there, see what's going on with that cord. See how all the kinks are coming out of it. And these are the little bitty things, guys, I'm talking about doing some training easel with Nathan. Then you can take this. This turn right here is not perfect right now. Do it like that. So you like the way that the nitro's done or whatever they were doing with easel? You can do it like that. You're good as new. You got a straight cord, a clean cord. So I look on my hand, of course, not bad. And then if we have a little bag, I don't know if this one really breaks down, but I know that we can get S ones, and they'll break down in 3 different sections. So you can have this one with this one, because this is for dry cleaning, not wet, and it can stay with each vacuum. That way, when it's time to get a vacuum, you got your hose that's in the bag, you got the wand, and you got this. One more thing really quickly on these, okay? On these right here, okay, this whoever put this back together is wrong. I'm not fighting or upset with you, okay? But I want y'all to come closer and let me show you. That means that what should take place right here, this is where you suck from, okay? So your airflow goes right here, okay? That's the way that the filter's supposed to be put together, okay? Right here, whoever put this back together, we got wet in here. I don't know why we have water in here. I'm not even gonna ask who done this. Okay? He knows who done it. Okay? And it would be nice if somebody, if you're afraid to say things publicly, go, hey, I was the one that done this, and now I know better. Okay? These are dry only. Okay? Dry only.
I will say I did not know that. I didn't do it.
Okay. These are dry only.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Cause I seen you with the thing with the concrete, that was wet, right?
Yeah, it was supposed to, I had to throw that filter away.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so this filter right here, we may be able to dry it and blow it out. I don't know, it's the brand new filter. These filters are how much, Ezel? $200. Okay, so it's $200 that is wasted. So.
And as soon as it gets a hole in it, I mean, it loses its basically HEPA certification, really. And
right, and this
so
bag.
That's to blow out.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave all that alone. So this bag should be washed, this should be cleaned out. Okay, maybe try to blow this out easy and see if we can dry it. I don't know, okay? Yes. So I know that Nathan took time to clean them out Friday.
It would have been Friday.
So
all these are cleaned out Friday, right? All
yeah. Okay. So and I'm not asking for who done it. The person that done it may not be here. But anyway, that being said, dry only. Okay? That's it. Dry only. Okay? Those vacuum cleaners right here are for wet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?